Nature is healing, and you are what you eat. Vegan decisions treat your insides to the natural beauty all around outside. But yes, it's true we live in our heads, so let's not forget the connection to heart and the soul. I'm not preaching, predicting, or anything, just sharing what I'm learning. The very first, and I believe the most important, is that nature is healing. If you don't believe me, sit outside, day or night, clear or overcast sky, and stare at nature. The water, trees, mountains, the beings revolving around them. Ignore the man-made aspects of life and just be with nature. You can do this for a short period of time and still feel